Aditi from Mentoring Finance. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing Mr. Sashi Prakash, a distinguished alumnus of our institute. Mr. Prakash hails from the vibrant city of Lucknow and boasts an impressive educational background, holding qualifications such as FCA, ACMA, CS, MCOM, and LLB. Currently, he serves as a chartered accountant and bringing his wealth and expertise and experience to the table. Sir, do you want to say something about yourself?
Yeah, thank you for a wonderful introduction, ma'am. So too hot in the Lucknow, but it's a great pleasure for me that you have invited for the interview, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so let's begin with the questions.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Why you decided to take this course on IFRS?
Ma'am, actually, I was in the Qatar for a substantial period of time. And you know that IFRS is very, very important for the persons, the chartered accountant or cost accountant or company secretary who are working abroad. So IFRS is one of the base where we can learn and earn also. We know that Indian accounting standard is also very much important for us, but side by side, this IFRS is also required.
Yes, yes. Any special memory of our institute or of Rammohan Bhave sir?
Actually, ma'am, when I was in the Qatar, so our sir, beloved sir, the Mohan Bhave sir, he has visited Qatar in 2000, I think, 17 in the Doha chapter, and I was also a core member of the Doha chapter of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and I met personally after that. I just heard his speech delivered, so it's a wow, because his way of talking, way of delivering the speech is a very it's touching. Because he is a versatile, and he has a long time experience in the industry, so he is giving examples which we can correlate with our day-to-day job. So I thought to join sir class through online.
Okay, okay. Can you share an example of how you used IFRS knowledge to make a positive impact at your workplace?
Actually, ma'am, when this IFRS came, then we qualified in 2009 with accounting standard from 1 to 29. And now also it is prevalent in the CA intermediate exam, but in CA final exam they have introduced Ind AS. So for the Indian chartered accountant, basically for Indian CA students, currently it's a 9 lakhs CA students in all over the India. So they have they have to learn both accounting standard plus Indian Ind AS, Indian accounting standard. So when we went to the Qatar, then they are in Qatar, the IFRS is working, International Financial Reporting Standard. So when I was worried about that how I will learn. So there is no faculty there in Qatar. So I got to know this Rammohan Bhave sir through the Doha platform. So I contacted him, and after learning, I have implemented in so many places. Actually, the basics are the same, but what happened, the designing, the presentation, a little bit it's different. Little bits are different. So when we are going for the interview, then it's a burning topic in 2016 2017 for the chartered accountant. So I got benefited because I have selected 2-3 places, and now when I'm working in India, I'm a qualified chartered accountant, and I'm doing practice post COVID.
Yes.
So I'm implementing this one also, so it's a very beneficial for us.
Okay, okay. That was great. So any advice you would like to give to the future student considering taking up this course?
Actually, if I personally, I have met Rammohan Bhave sir only once time in Qatar. I was in the USA last year. Sir was also in the USA, but I was in the different city. I was in the Los Angeles, and I think he's in the Texas. I thought I will meet, but unfortunately, I am unable to meet. But surely I will meet with sir because he has a huge friend following. If you can see the LinkedIn or other platforms, he has a huge platform, a huge fan followings. And he wants to meet each and every student. This is the quality. but with the time constant, he is not able to do, but he's trying to reach each and every student. Suppose we are now I'm connected with sir with a class, valuation classes. It's a we have enrolled in December with 1,000 rupees only for the 12 months. We can imagine who will give in 1,000 for 12 months. Slowly he has increases, because the students, if they will come in December, they will give 1,000 and they can take the lecture for a whole year. So if I will meet, surely I will tell to sir that thank you for your kind blessing. And apart from the teaching, he is also counseling also. I am also, when I left job and joined, started my own practice. So he has counseled, means with a lot of questions. He will counsel you, and then he can give the not decisions, his opinion that what you should have to do in the future.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
It's my request to the potential students also, because he is a certified ACCA also, to give the trainings and other things, so he can join from India, not India also, but abroad also. He has a lot of fan followings, lot of students from the USA, London, and different parts of the world.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you for offering me this.
Your
Thank you,
insights
ma'am.
were really valuable.
Yeah,
Thank you
thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you.